Alright guys, welcome back. Another week. I guess it's been probably 2 weeks since we last checked in with everybody. It's been a big week. Probably the biggest news, I would say, Shawn, is here we are sitting on our floor.
This was a big deal. We have a floor.
We probably spent, what, the last 6 months staring at
Gravel.
thinking about how we could make it into a nice Japanese garden, maybe. That would be, sort of rustic feel. But now we have a floor, which is huge, obviously, because now we can have the tasting room and so forth. And I mean, the next process or the next step is going to be getting our brewery moved in. But first, I think we'll touch on beer.
So we're, what Aaron's pouring here, this is going to be our Vermont style pale ale. So this is obviously a test batch at home. So, thank you. Cheers.
So anyhow, the other big update is Shawn was up in Michigan earlier this week, paid a visit to Craftworks up in...
It's in Detroit. Yeah, it's north of Detroit. All American made steel. They've been around for a while. They do some other car industry stuff as well as doing stainless steel brew systems and tanks. All American steel, all American made up in Detroit. So we're really proud to be using their equipment. We'd been up there a couple times before this, but this was the water test on the brewery, so it was a big deal. We set the brew house up there in their factory and we ran a water cycle. So the whole way we would do a whole brewing process with minus the grain, obviously. Everything went well, had a couple things that we were going to tweak a little bit, and then we will be loading that up and shipping that down here probably in the next 2 weeks. Really couldn't say more about Craftwork and how good they've been to work with. They've been great. They've done massive brew houses to 5-barrel brew houses. So they have all that depth of experience that's really going to pay off when we get the system in here and start brewing on it. So we can't wait. They've been really good.
Really responsive, and I mean, just they kind of walked us through the process, and that was huge because we're figuring this out as we go, and we're really excited to be able to have a chance to work with them. The other kind of slow process, or the other thing that's been going on here at the brewery, is we've got some ductwork installed. You can't see it, it's above us, but what the HVAC system is up on the roof, that was actually placed yesterday. The floor drains are in, so that was kind of what we were waiting to have finished before we could pour the concrete. But like Shawn said, the big news is going to be probably the garage door in the front, so we can move the brew house in, and then the brew house should be moved in sometime this month.
Boiler's coming this week. It's going to sit over there. We'll give you a shot of that here in a second. So the boiler and the glycol chiller. So we're coming this week. So.
All right. Well, thanks again, guys, for checking in. We'll try to do this every 2 weeks or so you guys can keep track of and keep us accountable.
Yeah, keep us on track. Follow us on the YouTube channel for Acronym.
Absolutely, and all the other social media at Acronym Brewing and at Acronym or www.acronymbrewing.com. Thanks, guys.
Cheers.
Cheers.